I'm about to blow your mind with this chart right here. This is the rank correlation index. And anytime this red line gets above this green, it meant that the high price was already in, and it took us 6 months for Bitcoin to reach a higher price.
Around April 12th, right here, Mononoke Inu said that they were locking the liquidity in for a number of months. Now that was good, positive news. And in trading, we call that a catalyst. Positive news, which could cause a reaction to the upside if there are people paying attention to it. And looking at the volumes, we started to see some volumes picking up right here, just before the news came out that they were going to lock the liquidity again. And guess what happened? Traders being traders got in, and then other people got in because they noticed the volume started to pick up. More got in, and then people started to take profits, and it starts to turn around. You have more people selling than buying in. And that's exactly what happened. This is the perfect setup to make money on kind of like a scalp, but in this case, it was more of a swing trade because it lasted a couple of days. With Bitcoin's price going up, breaking through 30,000, people are more excited now about crypto. So more people are going to be watching for this setup that I just showed you, an increase in volume before a catalyst comes out, and then a pump, and then a dump. The end. Move on. Next. That's one thing about this token is that a former runner, when it ran up, it came out way back here, September, October 2021. This is now the weekly chart. Over a period of 4 weeks, it had some really good action. This is now called a former runner. It went up once, but it do it again. A penny stock trader, a day trader, would look for things like this. It ran up before, it could run up again. That's how they think. But if I'm seeing it like this, others are too. Get what I mean? I'm seeing it like this, others are too. And then we have this small move to the upside this past week. One candle equals 1 week. Look, you think that's not going to stand out to somebody who's trained in day trading? This candle right here? Oh yeah, it's going to stand out like a sore thumb now. Hint, down the line, how long did they lock their liquidity for? 6, 7 months? You can bet they're probably going to have another announcement 6, 7 months from now saying, we've just relocked it again. And I'll be watching for another move to the upside and hoping that between now and then, those guys start to work on their project and talk about it. And because this happened here, people are going to be waiting for another catalyst to break to the upside and to maybe try to break this high. Go up here a bit. See where I'm going with this? It could happen naturally. And that is not a rug pull. That is called trading. People do nothing but trade breakouts. Believe it or not, there are people who earn very good living doing nothing but sitting in front of their monitors during the opening bell. They have their screeners on, their scanners, and yes, there are crypto scanners just as easily as stock scanners, and they're looking for increases in volume, and then they're looking for catalysts. Good news. And then they're all over it. They get in and then they get out. Bang. That's it. Simple trading, not a rug pull. Congratulations to anyone who made money on that move. Expect more if Bitcoin goes up. We just don't.
And there's a secret weapon that will tell us, hey, are we going to be more like this one in 2019 where it takes a year and a half? Or are we going to be more like 2015 where it just took 6 months?